Okay, class 2, day 15, video 3, page number 25, exercise H, do on book. Read the story and put in 6 full stops. Now copy it with full stops and capital letter. But don't copy it, do just do on book. Liz, as you know that proper noun is the name of a special person, place or thing. So Liz lived in England. L capital because Liz is naming word. Lived in England. England is a place, special place. Write capital E. Put full stop at the end because sentence is completed here. After the completion of one sentence, when we start the other sentence, so the first letter of the next sentence always capital. Write she as capital. She wanted a dog. Put full stop at the end. One day, write capital O. She, write comma here. She met a good witch. Witch, write capital W. Put full stop at the end. The witch did a magic spell for Liz. Write W capital and also L capital for Liz. But the witch, again W capital, cast the spell badly. So put full stop at the end and write S capital. She gave Liz a frog. So write L capital here and put full stop at the end. Write the end of the story. Use these questions to help you. Was Liz happy with her frog? No. What did she do with it? What did the witch do? These two questions are HW2 on book. Write their answer on your book. Okay. We will do this exercise and this too in next video, in the next lecture. Thank you.